Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto and a price analysis update on Polkadot. We did one around 5-6 days ago now, and those areas which we did talk about have been hit, and orders should have been filled if you went ahead with those. We'll take a look at both USDT and the BTC pairings and have a look at some new levels where we could potentially look at investing or where we could look to target going forward. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So guys, welcome. This video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. If you want to get one step ahead of the game, go ahead and check our platform out. You'll see a full review on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and a link for that is in the description of this video. So this is a previous video I did on Polkadot, 2nd of October, 5-6 days ago now, and we was trading at $33. I think that was around the top, and I did say that it was looking like top because we're looking at this area here, and it was obviously an area where we could reject. We have rejected, but I did say to put orders in at this $30 region. It was a nice psychological area of support, and ladder them down. I always say ladder them down from a 382 to the 618 level. And I did say there was a potential level down at that $26 region if we did get a market shakeout. Going ahead to this video today, this is a 4-hour time frame now. We was here, bang on 33.35, and look what happened. We rejected. Used this 382 level support, rallied, and then we rejected, and we come down to that golden ratio there, didn't we? I mean, very close to a tap. So that would have been a great area to pick up some Polkadot. If you managed to ladder some down from 30 to 28, you would have got some, and then bang. Well, I've pushed it upside, and we've actually come right up and tested this extension of Fib. So if you're ever looking at Fibonacci's, I've put these two levels above it. It's -2.7 and -618. It always gives a great level of that, and that red line I've put in there is a previous level of resistance. So just show that region at $35 was a nice psychological area what we've hit. Tied in that Fibonacci there it's just a great tool, and it just gives us some really great levels. So that's over and done with now. What we need to do is have a look at this latest move, because I mean we've been on a good run, to be honest. I mean, from the bottom there up to that top, we've done a 21% move since this morning. That's epic. Currently it's 7.9% up. Oh, sorry, that's since yesterday. So overall 2 days we've had a really good rise. But let's analyze this move here. So from the bottom to the top, same again. Just rinse and repeat this method until you manage to accumulate as much as you want. Place orders from $32, well, $32.93, around $33, all the way down to $31.46. Orders within that range, 32. Well, we'll call it 33, down to 31.40 is the areas I would look at buying. Currently in a nice level of resistance here, and we're not a million miles away from the all-time high. If we just go to the daily time frame, the all-time high is there. I'm at my first target. If we just look at that in terms of a price from there to there, 40% away from all-time highs. You might think, Andy, that's a long way off, but it's not. It's not far. Once this crypto market starts going, you're going to understand how hard things can push. Just a quick one, if you're looking to take some profit and you manage to buy down at these two levels, the first area will be here at 38.83. It's where we did top last time, and it is a key area which would be a tough one to get through. And then going ahead into a little bit of a price prediction, I've got a Fibonacci on here. So from the highs to the very lows where we had a pretty much a V-shaped recovery, let's have a look at some of these levels above. And I've mentioned this before, that is a level I've been looking at as a minimum area to take major profit off. $191 is a 4.618 Fibonacci level, is where I will be targeting to take profit. That's 500% from here, and you might think, not a chance, Andy. It will happen. We've also got this 618 level up here at $270. I honestly think in the future that will happen as well, but for now let's just keep a little bit conservative down at 190, and that is me being conservative. You could be a lot more bullish from that. I'm so bullish on this asset in regards to the projects I've found that are getting built on top of Polkadot, which will be parachains. The ecosystem, once it gets up and running, will be thriving. The Web3, the substrate, everything is going for it. And out of all the layer 1 projects, it's probably my favourite one. So that's pretty much price analysis of that covered. Just take a look at a BTC pairing. I did mention that buys around the 618 level. I boxed it off because it wouldn't wick right down to it. We got very close at like 5,600 sats. And to be fair, Bitcoin dominance has just slowed down a little bit. It has been pushing up. I'm expecting something like this on Bitcoin dominance, maybe even a push up to around 52. If that does happen, you've seen it over the last few days, Satoshis get wrecked. And if you're looking for buys, this is not, well, it's probably going to look a bit bearish, but I would ladder some buys on this region here, around 4,700 sats, down to 3,500 Satoshis. That area is where I would look to consider buys in Polkadot in Satoshis before we did pick up some liquidity and then start pushing on. That's pretty much it in terms of buy zones and sell. Sell zones is going to be that region where we're in at 8,400, and then we've got this local top up here, where we rejected at 10,000 sats. That's an area I'd take profit, but that's where I buy. And then similar on the BTC, on the USDT pair, 33 down to 31 is the area to buy. First take profit at $38, and then hold on for dear life. Never sell all your bag, because this is going to go a long way in my opinion. So that's going to do it for today's price analysis. Just a quick point, I've got a Patreon up and running now. If you want to join it, the link is in my link tree on the description of this video. We have got a private Discord server. It's starting to get nice and active now. Access to my full library of content, which I will be pushing out every single day. Request coins if you want, chart requests, whatever you want, we'll do it in there. If you're new to crypto, will be a nice place to learn. So that's going to do it. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.